Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today we're down in a flooded crawl space. It's a muddy job. Still, homeowner can do this themselves, but be prepared to get muddy. Basically, you can kind of see what we've got going on here. They've got an old perimeter tile system. Those are those concrete tiles. They brought all that water from around the crawl space over to this area, and of course that has long not worked. But we're going to put a new sump pump and a sump pit here, as well as at the other end of the crawl space, which you can't see. It's about 80 feet from here. Because there's a high point in the center, water runs both directions. Low point here, low point on the other side. And a footer tile just won't drain the water to one sump pump. So we've already cored the wall over here, and we brought a temporary discharge down. We've got a temporary pump right here, and we just have to keep pumping it out. And we keep on digging. So let's go ahead and do some more digging. Digging in the mud and the water is really not the easiest thing to do. You can only get a little bit out at a time. And of course, the more you take out, the more water that comes in. But if you keep working at it, you'll get it. We need to make our pit wide enough, our hole wide enough for our sump pit. Then we'll connect these footer tiles along the sides. Right now we're just getting the mud out. We'll come back and do something with that in a little bit. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.